Hi guys, we are going to make a foldable for percents, fractions, and decimals. So I'm going to take you through how to do this. You're going to take any sheet of paper. You are going to fold it in half, hamburger style. All right, so that's step one. You're going to fold it hamburger style. Now open it back up. Okay, this is tricky. You are going to fold this into thirds. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to estimate, and I'm going to fold the top half down. And then I'm not going to crease it quite yet. I'm going to bring the bottom half up, and you kind of want it so that it's almost the same size, okay? Once you get it to be almost the same size, you're going to crease it on both sides, all right? So let me crease that. Let me show you what that looks like. I mean, if it's not perfect, it's okay, as long as you have 3 sections. So this is what it looks like so far. All right, so I have a line down the center, and then I have my 3 boxes. The next step, we've done this before. We're gonna take this side and we're gonna fold it in so that it touches that center line. All right, so I'm gonna crease that. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna fold this side in so that it hits the center fold, and I'm gonna crease that there. So now you have 6 boxes on the outside. Now I'm gonna take a pair of scissors and I'm gonna cut. Now, please make sure you're watching before you cut. I'm gonna open this back up. I'm gonna start at the edge and I'm gonna cut to the first fold and stop. So just one little section. You're gonna do the same thing at the bottom. And then you're gonna go to the other side and you're gonna do the same thing again. So I'm gonna start at the edge. I'm going to go to the first fold and stop, and first fold and stop. So you've got 4 cuts to make. Now when you fold this back up, there are going to be 6 boxes. Okay, you are going to take all 6 of those. Each one is going to represent a different section. So you're going to take your pencil. I'm going to start you off with the first one. All right, so let's say we're going to do fractions to decimals. So on the outside, you're just going to write fractions to decimals on the outside. That's the outside of the flap, so that when you open it up, we're going to put the information on the inside. So fractions to decimals. The next one we can write is decimals to fractions. Okay, so that would be on your second one. Now the location of these doesn't really matter. You're gonna end up with 6 different ones. You're gonna use that Desmos activity to finish filling out the outsides. When you flip it open, this is where you're gonna write the rules for how to change from fractions to decimals. How to change from decimals to fractions. Now in Desmos, I've already typed up the rules. You are supposed to pick which one is appropriate and retype it, and then you're gonna write it on your foldable so that we have this all the time at our fingertips. All right, if you have any questions, email me. Thanks, guys.